that engine has a smoke comes out of the smokestack. But there's a whistle on it. There's a little pinhole next to the whistle. And the smoke actually comes out of the smoke is out of the whistle.
Really?
And the steam,
Yeah.
steam whistle.
Yeah. Jake's got one that smokes, but yeah, I'll put it in where it comes out.
Well, I mean, it wouldn't bother me. But they just engineered, they got the wires hanging down, the wire nuts on it, underneath the trailer. They just, and then they